I welcome you for this React Prerequisites for Beginners Part 1 training course. Create React app. In the last lecture, we have created a new React project or application using the Create React app utility. Create React app. It is an officially supported way to create a single page React application. It offers a modern build setup with no configuration. There are two ways to create a new React project or application. The first one is install Create React App utility. Using the command npm install -g create -react -app. Then create React project or application using the create -react -app utility. The command is create -react -app followed by React project or application name. The other way to create a new React project or application is using a single command npx create -react -app followed by React project or application name. To uninstall create React app utility, use the command npm uninstall -g create -react -app. To open the skeleton of the React project or application created by the Create React app utility in the last lecture, you have to open the Visual Studio Code editor. You can see the screen as shown here. Select the file option, go to the open folder option. Then you will find a screen as shown here. You have to select the React project or application folder created by the Create React app utility. After the selection, you will find the skeleton of your React project or application on your Visual Studio Code editor. So you are able to see there are three folders: node underscore modules, public folder, src folder. You are able to see the files here: .git ignore, package-log.json, package.json, readme.md file on the skeleton of your React project or application. When you expand the node underscore modules folder, you will find the packages or dependencies or libraries as shown here. And this is the content of .git ignore file. Here you are able to see the dependencies, testing, production, miscellaneous content. And this is the content of package-log.json file. Here you are able to see the name of your React project or application, the version, log file version, requires. They are all packages, dev dependencies, and from here you are able to see the details about the dependencies which are there in your node underscore modules directory. And this is the content of package.json file. In this file also you are able to see the name of your React project or application, the version, private, and they are all the dependencies. And here you are able to see the scripts to start, build, test, eject, and some more. And this is the content of readme.md file. Here it shows the npm start, what actually it means, It runs the application in the development mode. npm test launches the test runner in the interactive watch mode. npm run build, it builds the application for production to the build folder. On expanding the public folder, you are able to see the files here. And this is favicon.ico file. And this is the content of index.html file. Here you are able to see the document type, HTML tag opening and HTML tag closing, head tag opening, head tag closing, body tag opening, body tag closing, and you are able to see some description about manifest.json here. And here you are able to see some description about favicon, and here it shows the title React app. This is the title of your browser tab, or you can say browser page title. And here you are able to see some dev id equal to root, and then followed by closed dev tag. Here you are able to see percentage public underscore URL percentage. It means the host name. If you want to access any files like the PNG file, manifest.json file, or favorite icon file, you can see here you have to specify the percentage public underscore URL percentage slash, then followed by the file which is there in the public folder. And here you are able to see logo 192.png file, manifest.json file, and this is how the logo 192.png file looks. This is logo 512.png file, and this is the manifest.json file. Here it shows the icons, favicon.ico file, logo 192.png file, logo 512.png file. And this is the content of robots.txt file. And you can see the favicon file placed on your browser tab title. Besides the title, this is the React app is the title which you saw in your index.html file. So this is the title, React app. This is the dev id equal to root. So what actually it means? Dev id equal to root followed by closing dev tag. It means when the browser gets response from the server and starts rendering, it goes to the root file, which in most cases is index.html file, which is there in the public folder, and render the same file first. Inside the index.html file, a dev element is written whose id is root. Then control goes to another file, that is index.js file in React application. Inside the index.js file in the React application, a component is used. In most cases, React application, this component is app component. So this is the app component, and this is the root, get element by id root. The app component is the first component that is rendered on the screen. Every component is defined inside the component or its children. This is how all the components are rendered and your React application starts working. This is the content of index.js file. Here you are able to see the root, get element by ID, and app component is enclosed within the react.strict mode tag. What react.strict mode means? Strict mode is a tool for highlighting potential problems in your application. Like fragments, strict mode does not render any visible UI. It activates additional checks and warnings for its descendants. Strict mode checks are run in development mode only. They don't impact the production build. Strict mode currently helps with identifying components with unsafe life cycles, warnings about legacy string ref API usage, warnings about deprecated find DOM node usage, detecting unexpected side effects, detecting legacy context API, ensuring reusable state. Here it provides some description about react.strict mode. You can enable strict mode for any part of your application. For example, here it shows there are components like header, footer component, component 1, component 2. So totally we have 4 components. Header and footer components are not enclosed within the react.strict mode. Only the component 1 and component 2 are enclosed within the react.strict mode. In the above example, strict mode checks will not run against the header and footer components. However, component 1 and component 2 as well as all of the descendants will have the checks. This is the content of app.js file. Here you are able to see the app component, and this is a functional component. Here you can see there are styles app, app-header, app-logo, code, app-link. They are all CSS styles, and also header also a CSS style. Here you are able to see the logo is getting displayed, and you are able to see the learn React text which is displayed on your screen. Here also this line also is getting displayed on your screen. So let us see the styles: app, app-header, app-logo, code, header, app-link in app.css file. In the app.css file, you are able to see the app CSS style, app-logo, app-header, app-link, and some more. And this is the test file, app.test.js file. So if you have any file with the suffix test.js after the component name, that is called as a test file. Sometime you will have, instead of test, spec.js file. So in this file you are able to see it is using the testing library for testing. Here the test case name is renders learn react link. This is the test case name, and you are doing the testing for app component. You are doing the testing for app component. Here you are checking the text learn react. It should be there on your web page. So this is what you are doing the testing here for the app component. And in index.css you are able to see the styling for body, styling for code. The next agenda is installation requirements for React session 4. I thank you for participating in this session. We'll see you in the next lecture.